8 Beyblade tournament. So let's go. Who's gonna win all of this base right here? Okay, let's go. Now the first battle is Excalibur versus Rocktavor. So let's go. My first battle. Go. Go. Oh, bro. Oh my god. Rocktavor is like strong, bro. He's a beast. Second battle is God Valkyrie versus Kerberos. So let's go. Okay. First round, go shoot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, bro. You're cool, man. Okay, so the next battle is Ace Valkyrie versus Zillion Zeotron. So let's go. Okay, first round, go shoot. Oh my god, why always bursting, bro? Alright, who's ready for the finals? Okay, so now Rocktavor versus Kerberos. So let's go. Okay, so first round, go shoot. Oh. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna lose? Okay, so he lose. Second round, go shoot. Oh, so Rocktavor loses now. Third battle, so go shoot. Oh, whoa! That drift from Kerberos, but Rocktavor wins. This is the next round. Okay, so let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! See who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Josie Valkyrie or Ace Valkyrie? Oh, Ace Valkyrie is not looking good. Okay, so Josie Valkyrie wins. Next round, go shoot. Oh, whoa! What attack from Josie Valkyrie? Okay, so whoa. Okay, so Ace Valkyrie doesn't have a chance, but Josie Valkyrie is winning.